Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Jessie and I'm back with another video. Today I will be making pumpkin cake. I hope you guys enjoy this video. For this pumpkin cake recipe, I am going to use some freshly shredded pumpkin instead of pumpkin puree. So first I am going to add all my dry ingredients, and all the measurements are in the description box below, and I'm just going to combine everything together. So now that my dry ingredients are combined together, I'm going to go ahead and add my liquid ingredients to my dry ingredients and just mix everything together. For the final addition, I am going to add my shredded pumpkin and just mix everything together. Now I am going to add my mixture to my baking tin, and my baking tin is greased with some vegetable oil, and I'm just gonna bake my pumpkin cake for 30 to 45 minutes, and then I will show you how it looks when it comes out. So yes guys, this is the finished product of my pumpkin cake. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, just give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe.